This is what happens when you blow on your thumb. Surely you did not know that all parts of the body interact with other parts. At present, ancient Chinese medicine relies on knowledge of pressure points that are mysteriously able to remove pain in certain areas, which you would never think would be related. You can relieve the sore throat by just scratching your ear. The explanation lies in certain nerves in the ear. Stimulating causes a reflex in the throat to cause a muscle spasm, and which in turn relieves the tingling that can be painful. If you have butterflies in your stomach before a major event, you should blow on your thumb to regulate your breathing and control the vagus nerve, which slows your heart rate. When this happens, the brain is told that it is not in danger, and calm it down. If you want to relieve the pressure of the sinus caused by phlegm, press the tongue to the roof of the mouth, and the alternative that with the pressure with one finger against each eyebrow. Pressing the fingertips directly on the burned area minimizes the possibility of blistering and scarring. This is due to a slower return to normal body temperature for burned skin is less impacting to the system. There are nerve pathways in the webbed area between the index finger and the thumb that tell the brain about the pain coming from the face and hands. Applying an ice cube to this reticulated area, for example, if you have sensitive teeth, can block the message of pain, and this